Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can recover deleted files in Dropbox. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to log in on our Dropbox account, and then from the home page, we're going to go to the left panel and click on deleted files. And then we're going to look for the deleted file that we want to restore or recover. For example, once we see it, we're going to click on the checkbox on the left side of the file, and then we're going to simply click on Restore. Once you're sure, click on Restore again, wait for a few seconds, and that's it. Your file is successfully restored and good for use again. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!